Well, it's hard to believe it's hard to believe it's early November and it's already Christmas packaging. All right, I'll take it. And I love it. Did you order another present for yourself? Yes, yes, I did. Here it is, the Kindle Paperwhite. Honestly, I'm not much of a reader. I had a Kindle before, I think it was the 4th generation. This is the Kindle Paperwhite, but I had the 4th generation, and it had the little D-pad at the bottom, and it was so hard to navigate, and the screen wasn't as clear as this one. It was, so I didn't read on it much. This is the thinnest and lightest Kindle Paperwhite yet, with a sleek modern design so you can read comfortably for hours, which I hope to do so. And this, the newest one, which it's the new thing with this version is that it's waterproof, so you're free to read and relax at the beach, by the pool, or in the bath. Yes, that's where I'll be reading, in the bath. It reads like paper, even in bright sunlight, with a glare-free 300 ppi display, laser quality text, and built-in adjustable light. Enjoy my books with Audible. You can do Audible in this? I would rather probably just do it on like my iPhone or something, but that's cool. Keep reading. A single charge lasts weeks, not hours. Select from millions of titles and massive selection of newspapers, comics, and Audible audiobooks. Store thousands of books so you can take your library with you. All right, let's take a look and open this up here. It's so thin. Ooh. All right, so this one looks like it's looks like the cable you get here is a micro USB, and then here it is. Oh, ooh, nicely sealed. Wow, look at the text. Look how crisp. Wait, is that the text of the Kindle or? Oh wow, that's a crisp. It's not even a piece of paper on it. Wow. Matte black in the back here. Really good grip. Wow, it feels nice. Power. Oh. Kindle. Wonder who actually reads underneath a tree like that. Like how often do you get a chance to go out to a tree in the middle of a field and read a book? Not me. It's so cool that this is touchscreen. Again, because my older version had like a little D-pad. Right on the bottom, you had to like select everything and move everything with that little cursor. It was terrible. I mean, it wasn't terrible. It was just like an inconvenience. Updating your home experience. This should take a few seconds. Whoa. So I have Amazon Prime, and I just learned that on Kindle you can actually get free comic books. I'm not sure which type, but there's like a few things. So click on Hellboy. Let's see how it looks like on this Kindle here. And you can see right here in the bottom, it has like an ad because I bought the version for a special edition. Oh. So double click, I render the panel. Let's see if it. There's no orientation button. So maybe this isn't the best to read. Isn't the best to read comic books on. All right, grab the macro lens here just to see we can read the text. Look at that. You can barely make out the pixels on this. Alright, so this thing is waterproof, but you can see as the water is touching it, it actually does react with the touchscreen. So just to keep that in mind. So I guess you can't really read it in the rain. Also, it's good to know that if you do drop this in the water, you'll be safe. All right, well, that's another random review. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comment section below. Give me a like if you like the video. If not, any other suggestions about any other products you'd like to see, again, leave that in the comments below, and I could probably try to review it if you like my reviews. If not, that's okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.